All right, folks, good afternoon. This is Marcel at Santa Clara University Station. Amtrak Capital Corridor train 737 is just now arriving at the Santa Clara University Station. Next stop for that train is San Jose Dearborn Station coming up. And 2002 F59 PHI is leading this one, and the back engine is 8314 Mount Pinos on this one. So sit back and relax, enjoy my channel. Once again, this is Amtrak 737 on its way to San Jose, about to make a stop here at Santa Clara Station, University Station. Stay tuned. He should be pulling up here momentarily. So we will pause here for a second. We'll be right back for the arrival of 737.
First F59 PHI ever.
All right, we're back here, folks. 737 just now arriving slowly.
Yep. Alongside
I just hope that, yeah. I know he might be pulling up at this track, or he might be diverting.
No, he's going on this track.
All right, he's on this track. So here comes 2002 leading off.
Yep. They're about to hear me say it. And oh no, here it comes. Oh, that's cringy.
Oh, good horn show, by the way.
Oh no. Oh. Forget 2002. Forget 2002. Oh.
2002 leading off. Yeah, Mount Pinos is in the back. A314 in the back. All right, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Here goes 737. All right, folks, we are back. 737. With 2002 leading off and 8314 tailing in the back. Good horn show, and that's a cow train coming behind. All right, folks. Caltrain 245 is about to arrive too. At 1814 Mount Pinos. Alright, folks, that train is last stop, San Jose. Caltrain is coming up next, 245, about to arrive. I am Marcel Hall. Still more to come. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.